Are you looking for a reliable printer for your home or small office? One that prints at a low cost, is easy to use, and doesn't constantly need new cartridges? Then stick around, because in this video we're taking a close look at the HP SmartTank Plus 570. Above all, we'll find out whether the ink tank system is really worth it, or if it causes more frustration than satisfaction. First impression, the printer looks simple but modern. The standout feature of this model is the refillable ink tanks. That means no traditional cartridges anymore. Instead, you pour the ink directly into the transparent tanks using the included bottles. And this idea really delivers, because it lets you print at extremely low cost and save a lot of money in the long run. According to the manufacturer, the included ink is enough for up to 12,000 pages in black and 8,000 pages in color. That's a lot, and it makes this printer especially attractive for anyone who prints regularly in higher volumes, whether for a home office, schoolwork, or small businesses. Setup is really easy. Plug it in, download the HP Smart app on your phone, connect to Wi-Fi, and you're done. Even if you're not tech savvy, you'll have no trouble at all. The app also gives you plenty of features right away, from scanning with your smartphone to mobile printing while you're on the go. What I especially liked, the printer runs pleasantly quiet and, thanks to the 35-sheet automatic document feeder, offers practical support for scanning and copying multi-page documents. Unfortunately, there's no automatic double-sided printing, so duplex printing has to be done manually. One small downside is the paper tray. The 100-sheet capacity is fine for home use, but with larger print jobs, you'll need to refill it more often. The display is also quite small and only black and white. Functional, but not particularly comfortable to use. When it comes to print quality, there's a mix of pros and cons. Text is razor sharp, even on plain paper. Colors look good, especially on photo paper. For occasional photo printing, this is more than sufficient. However, if you're expecting brilliant, high-gloss photo prints, you shouldn't expect too much. This printer isn't designed for that. Another big plus, the printer supports Wi-Fi and lets you print directly from your phone, tablet, or laptop. No cable clutter at all. Perfect for modern workspaces or convenient printing from the couch. In the end, the big question remains, is it worth buying? If you value low printing costs, easy operation, and solid print quality, absolutely. If, however, you plan to do a lot of double-sided printing or need very high speed, there may be better alternatives out there. So if you're curious about the current price or whether there's a good deal available right now, be sure to check the video description. You'll find all the links there. So, what are the advantages and disadvantages of this printer? Pros are extremely low printing costs thanks to ink tanks, high yield from the included ink, easy setup, good app integration, solid print quality for text and color, practical automatic document feeder. Cons, no automatic duplex printing, rather slow print speed, small paper tray, small non-color display, occasional reports of ink issues or software freezes. If you're tired of expensive cartridges and want a more relaxed printing experience, this model is a very interesting option. Especially for households with school-age kids or home office users, the SmartTank can be a real relief. Definitely check out the links in the description for current deals and additional information. And if you enjoyed the video, feel free to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and let us know in the comments what you think of this printer or which model you're using. See you next time!